we talked about some KPIs that are related to preventative maintenance, whether it's PM compliance, whether that's labor hours, whether that's, what percentage of your jobs are proactive in nature. I think the common thing that we've also seen too is shifting away from doing PMs just to say we finished the task. So I think the question there is like, how do we make sure that we're not just tracking work that's being done just to make it be done? How do we make sure that our PMs are effective? How about that?
Yeah, well, that's why I like PM labor hours versus emergency urgent labor hours.
Got
And
it.
if you track it and trend it, it's just logical. I did that as a maintenance supervisor, and it shocked my maintenance technicians. They didn't like it. They didn't want to see it. And I said, it has nothing to do with you. It has to do, we have a process problem. It's not a people problem. It's a process. We've got to get this process functional, and we did. And well, how long did it take? I don't know. I mean, till we really started making some serious gains for probably 6 months to 8 months. But
Wow.
we were focused on it every day.